Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to use the Relic Rite in Elden Ring, and let's get straight into the video. NIGHTREIN, so all you have to do is make your way over to the round table hold, go over to the table which says perform Relic Rites, click F. Now basically, let's just say you want to go ahead and continue with the executor build. All you have to do is click on one of the stones right here that is available, and then you can simply just switch with anything that's highlighted, so whichever you're able to. So let's just say I don't want this relic anymore, I want to use this one. I'll just simply click on that and it will swap. And again, I can do the same exact thing, and I can do the same thing with the red one as well. So just click on the one that you currently have equipped but you don't want it, go ahead and just select any other relic rite, and that should basically be it. Once you have the relics you want for your specific character, that's basically it. You don't have to do anything else. You can X out and you can go ahead and start the expedition, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to, change the relic rite, or how to use them basically. And yeah, so that should basically be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.